What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Home Entrepreneur, and today I want to talk to you and show you how to earn passive income online. And specifically, I want to give you a passive income idea that absolutely works. It's something that I've been doing every single month for probably the past two and a half years. And last month, I want to show you what I was able to do from a travel channel, a brand new travel channel I just started last month on YouTube. So if you're ready for that, let's get started. So if you're like most people think that passive income is one of those elusive things they will never achieve. They will never be able to make money without actually working, physically putting in the hours. And that's 100% false, all right? So I want to show you how I was able to earn over $2,300 last month in the month of June by simply doing videos. Now, I did not do a lot of videos. I actually did 15 videos. I did one video every other day, and I made over $2,300. My expenses were zero, absolutely nothing. And let me explain how I did that. Now, like I said, I created a travel channel. It is not new, or it's not established. It's a new channel. The channel does not have a lot of content. It only had 15 videos at the end of the month, right? What this means is, for one, I did not get paid by YouTube because I did not have over 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. So I got nothing from YouTube. The reason why I even put YouTube up there is because I am going to count that as an income source at one point, but as of right now, I just want to be 100% transparent and honest. I didn't make a single thing from YouTube for this channel. Now, that's no big deal because the ad revenue that you make from YouTube videos is not going to be a lot, all right? So if you've ever thought about creating a YouTube channel, but you are a little hesitant, a little bit, set back because you don't know if it's a good idea, it is a good idea. You just have to put in the work. Some people put in a little bit of work, make 2 or 3 videos, see no money, they don't see they're going to be famous anytime soon, so they quit. Don't do that, all right? This is a great passive income stream if you are willing to put in the work. The second income stream, okay, so $609 from affiliate marketing. Okay, if you're not sure what affiliate marketing is where I would take a visitor from my YouTube channel, and yes, you can promote other products and affiliate products and links inside your description box of your video. Alright, so just like this video, you look down below, you see that description box, or in the comment section, you'll probably see some links. Now, YouTube allows that, alright? So don't think that just because you don't have 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers, you can't do that. You can. It's perfectly fine. So, I made $609 through affiliate marketing. Now, what was I promoting? Okay, and affiliate marketing simply, I put a link to somebody else's product or course, I sell it, or they buy something and I make a small commission. This is a travel channel, right? So for my affiliate income, I was promoting things like passport little holders, things you put around your neck, things that are great for people going international, which obviously they need a passport for. I was selling things like luggage, okay? I actually bought, okay, for myself, my wife and I got a brand new set of luggage. So I did a little review on that, and I ended up selling 2 of those over on Amazon. Okay, so that was a decent amount of income as well. The next thing, the major thing, or the main thing, was I was promoting things like, Expedia and Hotels.com. Those are my 2 main ones. And the reason why I like those, one, Hotels.com I use personally myself, and Expedia is one I use personally myself when I'm flying somewhere. I just like it. Don't know why, but I use it. All right. So, being that I don't have any major products that I'm promoting, now I do down here, and I'm explaining that in a second. But as a passive income stream, my whole thing stems off of YouTube. Everything trickles down from there. The more visitors, the more views, the more subscribers, the more people I get to YouTube, the more money I will potentially be able to make. But it all stems off of YouTube. This is why, okay, and again, right here on my Homemade Entrepreneur channel, this is why I create so many videos. I put a lot of effort into it because the more videos I have, the more people that watch them, the better the content is. Okay, it all will help increase and build that trust between you and I. And because of that, you're more likely to buy a product that I recommend, buy a course that I create, okay, buy whatever it is, just because I say it's a good product. That's exactly what I'm doing right here with this travel channel, is I'm trying to establish that relationship, build that trust first, and then when I go and I recommend, oh, go to Expedia.com. Most people have heard of it, so some people will click on the link, but the majority of people just go to a new browser, type in Expedia.com. Perfectly fine. But when I recommend a product, when I recommend a certain luggage set, people are more inclined to click on the link inside the description box because they want to make sure they get to the right product, the exact one I'm recommending. So that's where it works. Now, courses. What am I selling a course on? Well, the course that I'm actually selling is on how to travel on a budget. All right, it's a course I created years ago, and I had a YouTube channel for it, and the YouTube channel kind of sucked because I wasn't putting much effort into it, and I tried to upload more content, and what happened is YouTube just doesn't want to promote that channel anymore. No big deal. Create a new one. So courses, how much did I make? Well, I actually got 10 course sales, and I sold. They sell for $147 a piece, so I made $1,470 in just last month alone selling my course on how to travel on a budget. Now I go over multiple, and I'm not gonna say what the course is or where it's at or whatever. Okay, I want to try to keep this somewhat secretive. So $147 for each course. What I was doing in a few of the videos is I do put on the top of the description box my link to the link to my course that's over on Teachable. All right, so I do provide that. Now, Teachable does cost $39 a month. That's the base plan. Okay, so when I said I didn't spend anything, my costs were nothing, I guess that's kind of a lie. I did have to pay money for Teachable, which was $39, because I'm not running on the same account as my Home and Entrepreneur Teachable account. All right. So with courses, now one of the courses I do have is called Passive Income for Entrepreneurs. This course, it's a $7 course, $7 mini course, and it shows you kind of how to create your own online asset or your own online course, and how you go about selling it, getting out there in front of people. And that's exactly what I was doing here. So if you want to check that course out, again, $7, called Passive Income for Entrepreneurs. I'll put the link down in the description box below. But that's essentially what I'm doing right here. It's just I provide more content, more value, and giving a lot of tips and tricks and advice and stuff inside the course. That's why I'm charging $147 for that course. As far as products, here's what I am selling these products, and they are coming from Amazon. However, they are my own products. All right. I made $235 from those last month. Here's what you need to understand, and this is one of the reasons why I'm not going to tell people where this channel is and how to get it, how to find it, is because this product right here, it's a private label product. I sell it on Amazon.com. I put a lot of time and effort into this product. It's selling extremely well, but just from the people that clicked on the link inside my YouTube video, $235 was what I made. All right, that's not net sales. That is actual profit from my products, and that's a pretty good profit. So total I am making $2,314. $2,314. Okay, that's what I made in 1 month from a new travel channel. So if you've ever wanted to create a passive income stream, you can do it. I'm not saying it's going to be easy. I'm not saying it is impossible. It's somewhere in between, but it can happen. Now, I do a lot of YouTube videos, okay? I do promote my YouTube videos. I do go out there and I comment on other people's YouTube videos to try to build that relationship and to try to get more links to my channel. And so by doing that with YouTube, I was able to do all this, okay? So when I say it's simple, I seriously mean it's simple. There's a lot of stuff to do, but it's simple. When you break it down, step 1, step 2, step 3, create a YouTube channel, upload or create your first YouTube video, upload your first YouTube video. Those are 3 steps. The steps are simple, but it takes some time. You have to put in the effort. You have to put in the work. And if you're not willing to do that, then your chances of making a passive income are probably close to 0. Okay? I did not make this out of just an hour worth of work. I didn't make this income from just 5 hours worth of work. I put the time and effort into this. But this income right here, right now we're like 15 days into July. Okay? And so far, I've already passed that. I've made more than $2,300 so far this month. So I'm on track to more than double this income in my second full month. And I haven't put as much time this month as I did the first month. Okay, so just think about that. That's what makes this a passive income. Yes, you do have to put in the work in the beginning, but with everything that is special, that's going to be around for a while, it's going to make you a decent amount of money. You have to put the time and effort into it at least once. The more you do, the more you set it up successfully, you're going to make more money, long into the future. All right? So if you have any questions on how to make a passive income stream, let me know down in the comment section below. But just understand, it's possible. Maybe you don't want to do a YouTube video. That's completely fine. Do a website. Do a free Facebook page, an Instagram account. But I'm telling you, get out there, start making that money, because it's possible. Coming from a travel channel where you get free content, just like here, you're getting free content here on this YouTube video, but we are building that relationship. We're establishing that connection. And what happens is I will be able to make money, down the road because I did help you at some point. So just understand that is what I'm doing. I may not say, hey, pay me $1 and I'll create a new YouTube video. But what I am saying is, hey, watch this YouTube video. Let me show you how to do something. Later on, I might promote an affiliate product. I might promote a course, which I did inside this video. Okay? But it's because I'm teaching you something. So understand one thing. The better your content is, the more value you can add to somebody's life, the more money you're going to be able to make. So hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. It just shows me to create more videos just like this one. And also subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys on the next one.